Okay, we're gonna be heading down this little Areal na Ervanários. So we're gonna go check out that little street in a minute. And before we do, we'll just give you a little context of where we are. Got lots of kind of interesting streets around here. This is Rua das Australian that goes to Senado Square, and we're gonna be walking down this way. So let's head down this famous little street in this area. It's got some kind of cool architecture up here too. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna go down. I just had a big long talk with that guy. He does a lot of film for in China. So he was telling me about filming in China. And I guess he was saying that this is our street right there. So he was telling me that he's gonna go to Turkey tomorrow. We'll probably run into him later again. I'll say hi again first. So yeah, this little street at the beginning, there's some food ones, and we kind of got some new things. We're gonna see one of my friends, he's a bar owner here, to see how he's doing. Haven't seen him in a while. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here. Sometimes they'll have a lot of stuff set up, but today it's a holiday, so I don't know what to expect today. We got these little side streets all the way down, coffee shop. So there's also a coffee shop behind us as well. And we're gonna keep on walking down in a minute, but we got lots of shops like this. And then that was the coffee shop around the corner too. So yeah, it looks like the coffee shops are pretty busy today. And we're gonna keep on going down. Looks like he's doing some calligraphy. Rua dos Ervanários. Let's see who's... I haven't seen this guy in a while, so we'll see. Looks like he's there. That's flood guards. I think he's there. Let's see if he's there. Hey. Okay, so let's head on down the street. So we're gonna head all the way down. This is called Rua de Ervanários. And this is the street that I want to show you right here. So this one is where they do a lot of gambling and things like that. So I think they do like, I think we won't go down because, but we will show this one. Then we kind of walk down this way. So yeah, that's actually a pretty interesting alley as well, but we're gonna head down this way a little bit more. Get all the way down to the end, and then we'll end this particular one. Yeah, I keep running into people. That's the street they were just on. So that's Rua de Ervanários. I kept running into people, so I saw some people at the bar, but I don't want to put them on camera. I could, but I don't really want to. Then I met a Chinese guy who was kind of telling me some stuff too. So, but anyways, that's Rua de Ervanários. Kind of interesting street, and we're gonna end it right there. Let's go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Toma cuidado, la